I'm from me, Bernie B. in Hamilton's. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare metal correctly. From taking the rust away to priming it correctly and painting it with top coats and using the correct brushes and rollers to get that perfect finish. Okay, step one to getting the shelf nice and clean and prepared for painting. I'm using PowerFix's Rust Mate. Now, Rust Mate is an effective metal cleaner and rust treatment. Now, the rule here is to keep the surface wet for about 10 to 15 minutes and don't let it dry on the surface. So I'm just working the solution into this very rusted shelf. And like I said, I'm really just keeping it nice and damp, and it pretty much dissolves the rust. You might need a green scourer from Hamilton's. These hand scouring pads are ideal for cleaning or stripping and surface prep. And they come in green and maroon. Green being a fine grain and maroon the medium. Now, very good rinse to remove all the Rust Mate solution. Look at that shelf. Much better compared to the part above, which I've masked off. Now we're going to primer this well-prepared surface with an anti-corrosive metal primer in a grey. 2 coats, please. Always make sure you obliterate the metal. 2 coats, 4 hours between the coats. And I'm using Hamilton's Mohair Roller. The roller has a high-quality natural wool blend and it gives you a superb professional finish and thermobonded, so it's ideal for whether you're using a water-based enamel or oil-based enamel. But I'm using Plascon Velvaglow, solvent-based. I'm applying 2 coats over my primer, and I'm doing a day between the coats. Let's recap now. So, surface preparation important. Rust Mate, or a type of a rust remover, is ideal to get the surface clean and well prepared, and then primed, and then finally 2 coats of your non-drip water-based or oil-based enamels, and there you go, the perfect finish.